Greetings, welcome to this new video about Kirchhoff's laws. In this video we will do quizzes together about Kirchhoff's voltage law KVL. Let's start with the first quiz. Quiz number 1. Using Kirchhoff's rules, what's the voltage of the power source in this circuit? Let's go to the answer. Answer E is the correct answer, 350 volt. By applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write V minus 100 minus 150 minus 25 minus 75 is equal to 0. That means V is equal to 350 volt. Let's go to quiz number 2. Kirchhoff's laws for analyzing electrical circuits are based on the conservation of. Take 5 seconds to come up with an answer. We know that KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, is based on the principle of conservation of electric charge, which states that electric charge cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred from one object to another. That means KCL is based on the conservation of charge. But KVL is based on the principle of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. That means Kirchhoff's laws are based on the conservation of both charge and energy. That's why C is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 3. What's the value of V1 and V2? Let's start. We go now to the answer. Using Kirchhoff's voltage law, in the first loop we can write 12 minus V1 minus 8 is equal to 0. That means V1 is equal to 4 volt. We go now to loop number 2. We have 8 minus V2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That means V2 is equal to 6 volt. That means A is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 4. What is the voltage across the 10 ohm resistor? You have 5 seconds to come up with an answer. Let's start. Using Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write 12 minus 5 plus 10 plus 15 multiplied by I is equal to 0. That means the current I is 12 over 30, 0.4 amps. And we know, according to Ohm's law, that the voltage across a resistor is the resistor multiplied by the current. That means V is equal to 10I is equal to 4 volt. B is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 5. The sum of the voltage over any closed loop is equal to. Let's start. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the sum of the voltage over any closed loop is equal to 0. That means A is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 6. For the circuit below, the current that comes out of the voltage source is 3 amps. What is the value of V? Go ahead. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write V is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 6 is equal to 18 volt. That means B is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 7. For the circuit below, The current through the 4 ohm resistor is 2 amps. What is the value of V? You have 5 seconds to come with an answer. Let's go. We go now to the answer. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write V is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 6 is equal to 20 volt. That means B is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 8. What is the value of the current I? You have 5 seconds to come up with an answer. Let's go. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write negative 10 plus 5I minus 5 plus 2I plus 20 plus 3I is equal to 0. That means 5 plus 10I is equal to 0. That means I is equal to minus 5, negative 5 over 10. That means I is equal to negative 0.5 amps. B is the correct answer. We go now to quiz number 9. The voltage law of Kirchhoff is applied to a circuit with. You have 5 seconds to come up with an answer. The correct answer, KVL, can be applied to linear elements such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors, as well as nonlinear elements such as diodes, transistors. The law also applies to active components such as voltage source and passive components such as resistor. Moreover, KVL is valid for both time-varying and time-invariant circuits. Time-invariant circuits are those whose parameters such as a resistor and capacitance does not change with time, while time-varying circuits are those whose parameters change with time. That means D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me by email or leave a comment under this video, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Have a nice time. Bye bye.